Hi guys, and welcome to Tekara Presents. If it is your first time here, welcome, welcome. If you've been here before, welcome back. Listen, happy 2022. First video of the year. We're gonna get it going. We're getting into these sweet chili wings that are the bomb. You wanna see how we make it? Just stick around. Alright, so here are the ingredients we are going to need. We have our sea salt, black pepper, garlic powder, sweet chili sauce, cornstarch, some flour, a couple of sassoon packets, and of course our chicken wings. Alright, so first thing we're going to do, we are going to get our wings seasoned. I did not pat them dry. You can if you want to. Not a big deal here. I'm going to go on with some salt, some pepper, garlic powder, and then your sassoon. Get that all mixed in. You don't need too much seasoning with this because a lot of your flavor is going to come from your sauce. So we're going to go ahead and season that. Get that all mixed together. Then I'm going to go in with about 2 tablespoons of flour and a little less than a teaspoon of the cornstarch. This is going to help it to get crispy in the air fryer. Get that all mixed in and then let it sit for a little bit. And we're going to go ahead and put these in the air fryer. So I am going to be using this Chefman air fryer. It has multiple settings: bake, fry, dehydrate, all types of stuff. So I'm just going to actually use the chicken setting on here, which is 375 for 30 minutes. And it also comes with these parchment paper liners. So I'm going to use those. I'm not going to use all 3 racks. I'm going to use 2 racks. And make sure you just spray those down a little bit with some vegetable oil and put your wings in, just making sure that they're not touching so that the air can get around them and they can get nice and crisp. I'm going to set those in, let those go for about 15 minutes before I go in and flip them. And then so we're going to see what these are looking like halfway through. So it's been about 16 minutes or so. I'm just going to go in and I am going to flip these. So the rack closest to the top, the wings are getting a little bit more crispy than the ones at the bottom. So I'm actually just going to flip these and then I'm going to switch the racks as well. So I'll put the bottom one at the top and the top one at the bottom. So just go ahead and get those flipped. Look, they are nice and getting nice and crispy. So just go ahead and give those a flip, and then we're going to put those back in and cook them for the remainder amount of time, probably until until there were about 3 minutes left, something like that. You can just let them go the full 30 minutes. Then we're going to toss them in some sauce, and then we're going to cook them again for an additional 10 minutes at 400 degrees. You might need to take them out a little bit sooner depending on how fast or slow your fryer cooks. The sauce will begin to brown and you don't want it to burn, so you just kind of have to keep an eye on it, but they come out delicious and we are going to hear what they are looking like once they are done. Alright guys, so this is what they look like when they are done. 30 minutes in the air fryer, probably an extra little 6-7 minutes with the sauce on them, and they come out beautiful, a little caramelized from the sugar and the sauce. But I'm telling you, if you like sweet chili sauce, this recipe is for you. And it's so easy to do, especially with an air fryer. These wings are juicy and tender and a little bit crispy. Nice and sticky, gooey, just delicious. This recipe is a must try. Of course, if you do try it, come back and let me know how it turned out for you. We are more than halfway to 1K. So shout out to all my new subscribers. I see you guys. Welcome, welcome. Let me know what you guys want to see. I'm ready to pump these videos out for you guys in the new year. It's 2022. It is time to run it up. Okay, so share this video, give it a thumbs up, run that comment section up, and show your girl some love. I thank you. I appreciate you all so much. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you all again next time. Take care.